Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento 2. So today we are going to add multiple status filters in Magento 2 order admin. You can see that we have this one part in the status, like see we have a cancelled, but you can see that there is only one filter. I want to filter one with the cancelled, with the on hold and the complete both together. How we are going to do it in Magento 2? So this video only for that one, right? So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and hit like to this video. Okay, so let's get started. So here we have the extension building. So we have a etc, that is the module.xml only. Main part is in the view admin HTML UI component and sales order grid, because it is sales order grid XML where all the layouting part is done, right? So just open it, and I have added only one line, this kind of status. So column is, that is status, that should be multi-select, their type is select, right? And listing toolbar filters, we have added this one filter select with the options, that should be auto status, select status. And here we have a import also, we have this one, the column index that is visible, right? So this we have means this one settings that we have added to multi select, select and the status label, right? So if I go and check this part and run this commands for this one, so let's go to the app project, open in a terminal. Okay, let's run this command and check this one. So here we go with the commands, where this is the compile part. Let's add this, run the another command. After this we have deploy, and we have paste this one. Then we have a last command for generated. After that we will check this part, right? Let's run this and we are done. Okay, let's go and see that. Sales orders, filters, select, pending, processing. Okay, apply filters. Only we have processing, this one pending is not there, right? Let's go with the that we have all of things. Let's check this one, apply filters. We have only sales orders. How many orders we have? Only two. Then we will process with closed and processing, right? To check both the orders will come. Closed and processing. Okay, let's try the filter. Two orders, close and processing, right? So this is how we can add multi-select in the status of the order admin grid. Any query, any issue, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on that. Have a nice day.